We're looking at the rear left caliper and rotor of a 2016 Unlimited Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. And what I'm going to do is change the brake pad, show you how quick and easy it is to do this. I'll fast forward through all the slow parts, but right now, first part is to break this bolt loose and this bolt loose. Once we've done that, we're going to pull the caliper back. Actually, I'm going to leave this bolt here as a pivot point so it doesn't just come off all the way. But we're going to pull this back, we're going to remove the brake pads, put the new brake pads in, and these tabs, these metal tabs, there's one here, one on the inside there, one on the top inside here. I'll close it back up, tighten these back down, and then I'll tell you how long that took. So to begin with, we got to loosen this. And it's on there really good, I know it is. But before you get started, ensure you're using a jack stand, not just a jack. Jack can fail, but the jack stand is going to be your backup or fail-safe method to keep you safe. When you go to bring this back up, you're not going to have enough space because your new brake pads are much thicker than the old brake pads. So we're going to have to push this piston back with a C-clamp. That's all there is to it. Brake pads are on. Now we just have to go inside the car, turn the car on, push the brake pad, and you'll see, actually you probably won't see it, you'll see it move, but you're not going to see any compression because they're really right up against the rotor as it is. Let's give it a shot. And that's it. It's as easy as that to change your brake pads on the 2016 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon Unlimited.